Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. My name is Mark. Today I'll be demonstrating how to access the embedded web pages of your Ethernet DTS meter. I will show methods of access for a computer on both Windows and Mac, and for a phone both on Android and Apple iOS. Please note that these methods only work when your device and the DTS meter you are trying to access are on the same network. If your device is on a different network from the meter, please see our DTS Discover video to move your meter onto the network. It will be linked below. In the instance that your network has not been set up yet, turn off your computer's Wi-Fi, disconnect all Ethernet cables, then directly plug the meter into your computer using an Ethernet cable. Given that the meter was shipped with DHCP enabled, it and the computer will make their own link local network, allowing you to proceed with the following steps. Please also note that the meter must be powered and turned on in all the following scenarios. There are several methods to access the embedded web pages using a Windows computer. The first method is using its host name. First, find the serial number of your Ethernet DTS meter on the label. In a new browser tab, please type the following: http://dts-serial number/. Use the entire serial number as shown. In this example, I am using the serial number 001-002-6193. Hit enter and the embedded web pages will populate. The second method on a Windows computer utilizes the application DTS Discover. Reference the DTS Discover video for downloading and general usage instructions. Once downloaded, you'll see a window similar to this. Locate your desired meter using the serial number. If the status of your meter is yellow, the connect button will be grayed out, and you will not be able to proceed. Please follow the steps in the DTS Discover video to resolve this. If the status of your meter is green, this means that your meter and computer are on the same network, and you will be able to click the connect button. Once clicked, a window in your default browser will open, showing the embedded web pages. The final method on a Windows computer is a downloadable application called Bonjour Browser, made by Blackwire Designs. In the description of the video below, there is a link to the download. Open the link and you will see a page like this. Scroll down and click the Program Download tab before clicking the Download Bonjour extension. Open the file in the zip folder to open the program. Once opened, you will see a window like this. Click Web Server HTTP in the Services box on the left. Under the Name column, locate the serial number of your DTS meter and its IP address will be next to it, or in the information field below. Type that IP address into a new browser tab. Hit enter, and the embedded web pages will populate. If you're using a Mac computer, you will have to download an MDNS browser. The one I am showing is Discovery DNS SD browser. There's a link to download in the description of the video below. Download the application from the Mac App Store and follow the prompts. Once the application is downloaded to your computer, open it and you will see a window like this. Open the World Wide Web HTTP dropdown and you will see devices connected to your network. Locate the serial number of your meter in this list. Open its drop-down list and locate the IP address. Type that IP address into a new browser tab. Hit enter, and the embedded web pages will populate. If you are using an iPhone, you will use the same application and process that we just used for the Mac computer. Download the Discovery DNS SD browser from the App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and your screen will look like this. Follow the same steps as the Mac computer by clicking the World Wide Web HTTP dropdown and finding the serial number of your meter. Open its drop-down list and locate the IP address. Type that IP address into a new browser tab. Hit enter, and the embedded web pages will populate. For easier viewing, turn your phone to landscape mode. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and search MDNS Discovery. Download the app. Open it, and you will see a screen like this. Make sure TCP is checked and search HTTP in the search bar. This will populate the different devices connected to your network. Locate the serial number of your meter in this list. Type that IP address into a new browser tab. Hit enter, and the embedded web pages will populate. For easier viewing, turn your phone to landscape mode. For a demonstration of the features of the embedded web pages, please see our other video on the MeasureLogic YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.